Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that. And depending on where you are in the world, it's officially the Queen's birthday. Yes. More life to you, dancehall Queen Spice. You see me, I say? And you don't know she went live and she was going with a bag of things with her and the Rasta man. She talk about a bag of things. Trust me, people, this live is going to lead to some other things, you know? Yes, we know that Spice is probably gonna get pregnant tonight. The way all the Rastaman are go on and about it up, you see me, I say. But at times it never seemed like him could have managed the big old dumpster truck, you feel me? Are you feeling it? No, but really and truly, people, make sure you go buy her album and things. And she did talk about a bag of things with Baby Cham. And, you know, he blew her a kiss. And people were starting to speculate. And it looked like that kiss that touched Spice's heart, you know. Because she said that she's going to do a DNA test on him. You know, she told him that straight up on the live, you know. And he said he loves her. And, you know, he loves Nicholas too as well. You feel what I'm saying? And you don't know the things that she went live with Bone to Kill and things and things. And I'm not gonna lie to you, she played a few tracks and people, this sound like a solid album, you feel me? So hopefully she can sell 1 million copies, maybe 100,000 the first week. But enough about me talking. Let us see what the Queen has to say. And we'll get back into it.
I'll find a way to make it possible. Yo, shush, 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 shush.
What up, my pretty?
Beckett, big
My
up yourself.
boy. What's up?
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, my pretty. It's been a long time. It's been overdue, you know what I mean?
We see I mash up the road. We see I mash up the road.
We see how much of the world. We see how much of the world.
Big up yourself.
Album out.
The album is out right now. And
How long now you wait for this?
eh?
How long now you wait for this?
That album I do from 2009, so VP can't vex it. Me talk me mind, but I reach for it like it's just fun time. Yeah.
Yo, let me tell you this. This is from the first time we meet. We're up on tour in England. And you tell me, say, you have done with music. And me, I say, what do you mean done with music? You're mad. And you tell me the whole trial, the whole fight where you got through within the industry of Jamaica. But I couldn't make you done with music. I can't tell you that. Because the world did have to see this. You know what I mean? The world did have to see this. We did a see it on tour like every night. You open the show them at the time, I never even know you. And it's like me, I said, John, that girl, that bad, yo, she not have no
You never have no
record.
song. Let's talk
You
about
never,
never have no hit
you never
song.
have no record. No record was out there. And me, I said, oh, after, I think at the final show, me really talk to you. After the final concert, and me, I say, why you no record songs? And you said, nobody know want to record you. Because of some issues, we not to get back into that. But at the same fight, we them try to fight you over the years. You know what I mean?
Long time.
And me, I say, listen me, if you decide, me not tell you, say, me I go tell you if you change your mind, but if you decide to come back to Jamaica, reach out and we're going to make it happen, man. And oh, you never ever, me never ever call you at Jamaica and say, yo, road. And you say, yo, me I go sleep or me I go wrap up with my man or nothing like that. You always just say, brother, I'm ready. You know what I mean? And to them, you can see it, you know what I mean? From day one, you have the drive, you have the work ethic, you have the love.
I'm little hungry and I will back close like that. I roll and miss me talk about it. Never back close like that.
Yo, we have some, all right, we have some picture with you. If delete them right now, we're not going to
Never that song. I'm going to celebrate.
Yeah.
That's why I say big up yourself. Thank you so much. Now people, me talk about it everywhere. People know say without you there wasn't been a startup of Spice. You paved the way. And you make me get fight over man, introduce me to Dave Kelly. I've said it 1,000,000 times, but in your face right now, I just want to say love you, respect, thank you for everything that you've done for my career from them time there. It has molded me and shaped me into who I am today. I appreciate it and big up.
Yo, I love you more than life, my G. Just go and do
Love
your
it more
thing.
than life to my
And
brother.
we
Big
are
up
buying the
yourself.
thing, and everybody are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and more 10, we're buying it, we're supporting it.
Before you go away, maybe me have to go do a DNA man you know. I remember them say that Nicholas father. Remember since as the man that want to do the DNA, maybe you have to go do the DNA.
But look, you don't know. You never know. You know what I mean? Mwah. Yo, Nicholas knows me I'm Godfather. I love you, Nicholas. Banging.
Bring up yourself, my brother. Love, love, love.
Love you more, my G.
All right, my brother. Love.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10,
Right,
10,
let's go,
10,
right,
10,
let's go.
10,
Big
10.
up, big up.
All right. Yeah, no, I hope we come out for this.
I'm if to tell you, I never know overthink. Right, that's right there. Guys, the album is out now. 10 is out. Yeah, man, have to touch a look or something there. I don't know me always I keep it real, we don't know. But we're dying for the day to clear up that little something there. Because me I don't know if I go clear up, you know. Because them don't want to come forward, but somewhere I don't know them have to go do it. I not ask price. And I make the kids them go at teenager.
Oh, God. Crazy. Yo, I'm so happy.
It's a joy. It's a joy.
10 years ago, the album for come out. That's why name 10. Them didn't even know.
They never know. Big up yourself. Bounty. Me tell you all the while, me tired. You tell me say me tired to say me love you, but me love you, me respect you, me rate you. Thank you so much. Me just want to ask you one question.
What's that?
That motivation that you gave me when I was about 15, what was it that you saw in me? Because my father died when I was 9. You never get a chance to tell me, say, yo, at this minute seeing, but my father tell me that from a little girl, and
Well,
you tell me, I mean, never let it go from you tell me. It's like that give me the strength and the courage when me did have. Me don't know where you seen me from me so young.
no, I saw the fire in you. I saw the fire. I saw the determination, and I saw the talent. I saw the drive. I saw a lot of things in you, and I saw all the things I saw. I see bloom, blossom into the dance. When I saw you, I think I saw a little bit of that night. Sorry about that. Because I'm there, nigga,
No
right?
worry yourself, come there, I go through it too.
Set up for talk. Yes,
But
sir.
then
So
I
that
go through it too.
lady, yeah, and the night, how you deal with the main, oh, no, you weren't a regular at all. Yeah, I saw this little girl with this determination and drive, and talent was there. Then we took it to It's a Party, and then Dave Kelly and Baby for the fire. And
Big
then
up.
everybody came, and it was the next one. It was grace. It was time. It was grace.
Definitely, definitely. Big up yourself, my general. We talk about it every day. I'm glad for them my life now when the album finally dropped. To make you know to your face, I love you, I respect you.
I'm happy. I'm proud because you have gave a good journey.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. So this album is definitely template ice. Queendom. Yes.
Def-
Now
Big
what
up.
you're gonna start giving. You understand? Because you've been giving them singles, performances, so album time.
Ready, ready, ready. And your album here say you work on it. And when is that drop?
When my album coming for Christmas, my album not gonna be a summer project because we can't.
Okay.
Some of them can't get the food one time, and then
Okay. All right, so Christmas, so don't get ready for killer album. Me and wait for it. Big up yourself, my general. Love, mad love, respect, everything.
every
Right
time.
there, so.
All the best, mama. Mad love. Kaboom.
All right, kaboom, my boss, my general. Right there, so. Big up. Yeah. Yo, I feel good. I don't know how we're not gonna start to the world. Lord, the general, the dance. Hey, Bounty, big up.
Trust me, people. This whole live was a vibe, but you don't know the things that with the music business on YouTube. But I think the music is start uploading on her Vivo channel, so you can go check it out. And again, make sure you go on Spotify, iTunes, and all the regular platforms you go for buy music, and things and things. And don't forget to hit the like button. subscribe and hit the notification bell and press all if you're new. And if you're new, not, yes. Sorry about that. If you subscribe to the channel already, make sure the notification bell is on. Bless.